arrived is our Chaparral 250 Suncoast. This is a one owner boat, 2017 model, just under 10 hours. I believe it has 6.6 hours on it. It is fully optioned out. In the wideband Biscayne blue color. You do see the extended Bimini top up top. It gives you an extra 2 feet of sun coverage. Yamaha F300 with stainless steel prop. Trim tabs. Stepping aboard the boat, we do have the large swim platform, rear aft seating, fuel fill up on both sides of the boat, port and starboard, freshwater shower, clearance stereo system controls, pull up cleats, easy access to your battery switches. We do have a ski and fish package, rod holder, cup holder combos, a lot of wraparound seating, clearing controls for the passenger, 1.5 by wide captain's chair, Yamaha digital gauges, Garmin 741 maps, fly-by-wire shifter and throttle, toggle switches, along with Lenco trim tabs with indicator lights. Spacious bow on the 250 Suncoast. We do have pump out for the head, grab rail for safety, pull up cleats forward, another freshwater shower, access to your anchor locker, along with a boarding ladder for the front of the boat, docking lights, plenty of storage space, as well as a full U.S. Coast Guard kit. Do have the bow table, air dam with access down below the helm. Up above the extended Bimini is the anchor light and a tow access point. Underneath the aft seat is an insulated Livewell. This is lighted, does drain overboard, so when you're not using it to store your fish, you can also put your drinks down there. Plenty of storage space on the Suncoast models, along with an igloo cooler for when you're going to the beach. Behind the double latch head door, we do have a real marine head with electric flush, electric fill, and 8-gallon holding tank, along with freshwater shower. This completes showing off this nice 250 Suncoast. For more information on the Chaparral 250 Suncoast or any of our other boats, give me a call.